In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a permanently limited PayPal account in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. Having a limited PayPal account can be quite frustrating, especially when it impedes your ability to make transactions or access your funds. But don't worry, we're going to walk through the steps you need to take to resolve this situation quickly and effectively. Let's begin by visiting the PayPal website. Open your web browser and type in paypal.com. Once the page is loaded, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing your account, where we can start addressing the issue at hand. Enter your email address and password in the respective fields. It's important to enter this information accurately to avoid any login errors. Once that's done, go ahead and click on Login again. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Scroll down until you find the contact link and click on it. This will open up options for various ways to get in touch with PayPal support, which is essential for resolving your account limitations. Next, locate and click on the Resolution Center. The Resolution Center is the hub for addressing and managing your account limitations. In this section, you'll need to provide any required information and documentation. You might be asked to submit identification documents or details about specific transactions. It's crucial to provide accurate and complete information to successfully remove the limitation. Once you've submitted the necessary documentation, review the reason for your account limitation. Understanding why your account was limited can provide key insights into how to address the issue and possibly prevent it from happening again. PayPal will guide you through the steps required to remove the limitation. This might involve providing specific documents, verifying your account, or completing other tasks outlined by PayPal. It's important to follow these instructions carefully to ensure a smooth resolution. If you believe the limitation was placed on your account incorrectly or unjustly, there may be an option to appeal the decision. PayPal's support team can assist with this, so be sure to reach out if you feel this is necessary. Lastly, it's important to note that if your account remains permanently limited, PayPal may hold your funds for a specified period, typically 180 days, to allow for any disputes to be resolved. During this time, ensure that you are responsive to any communications from PayPal and comply with their requests to facilitate the release of your funds. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to fixing a permanently limited PayPal account. Be patient and cooperative throughout the process, and your account should be back in order in no time. Thank you for watching, and good luck.